Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to add a treating doctor with the GoodX Desktop app. In this video, we will start on a data manager screen, which is within the MedApps module. Click on a Lists option on the menu bar. Click on a Doctors option from the list. The Treating Practitioner screen will open. From here, you will be able to see all the previously added treating practitioners on the list displayed. To add another treating practitioner, simply click on a plus button. The doctors not linked to this practice screen will open. Click on a plus button once more. On this screen, you will be able to fill out the fields with the relevant and applicable information. If you have completed the fields but do not wish to save the new information, click on the cancel button to exit the screen without saving. Click on a save button to save the information entered and return to the previous screen. Now, click on the OK button. The doctor screen will open, where you have the opportunity to add, if applicable, a dispensing license and service centers. Click on a cancel button to exit the screen without saving. Click on the Edit Fixed Info button to edit the practitioner's details. Click on the OK button to save the information and return to the previous screen. The newly added treating practitioner will now be displayed on the list.